is in LA. Moving is literally the worst activity in the world. I'm like so over it, but I am moving in with Aiden and Matthew for a few months. This is my moving day workout set. When I moved into this apartment, I didn't have my boyfriend to help me, and honestly having a man help is making this so much easier because I can just do this. Off we go to the new house. I'm actually so excited to be like living in a home. I feel like I need this. But when we get there, I'll like do the whole spiel because we have a mattress that was delivered. So perfect. On the way. Okay, my room is nowhere near done, but we're going out. I don't even have a mirror to show you, but basically I'm re-wearing that top. And is it weird with a capri? No, I think it's cute. I'm gonna have these little heels. Hi. Hi. Off to my casting. Okay, guys. I've been cheating my hair and been like curling the front pieces. Oops. But on my way to a casting. It's 10,000 degrees, but I feel cute. I just finished that casting and I'm not feeling too good about it because they were like, oh, we're gonna take photos in your underwear. I'm in a pink thong. So I had to strip and I'm in a pink thong. Did not wear the right undies for that, but you know what, we're gonna move forward. Needed a little treat. Grilled nuggets from Chick-fil-A. Or what if they were like, Maya's here and she's ugly, so don't see her.
I don't think there's a universe where you are ugly.
Whatever. When you book a job, then everything feels amazing and it feels like life is working out for you, and then the next day you wake up and you're like, okay, now what? Thank God they didn't ask me to strip on a day I was constipated. I would have lost my mind. Okay, we're off to Pilates. I'm like bright and early. It's literally a 12 o'clock class. But really quick, I want to show you what I got. I'm a sucker for a TikTok shop buy. And I also like hopped on the whole trend when it was like turmeric kojic acid soap, and that actually worked really, really well for me. So why wouldn't I try the deodorant? Ooh. Oh, that smells amazing. I'm about to head to Pilates. I feel like I just need to give you a quick update because I'm like, this vlog is very chaotic. Oh, there's somebody. Are they? Oh. Is it my package? It is my package. Hold on. You guys, I'm like so confused. This package came and it's like a twin floor bed. I'm like, oh my god, that was insane. They sent me a twin bed crate. That is not what I ordered. All right, we have to make it to Pilates now. See you later. Oh, my agent just texted me. Ah, I'm working tomorrow. Hi, that's not my package. I ordered like a comforter, and this is like a kid's twin bed. Are you able to take it back? Because I don't know what to do with that thing. Okay, that was a little ridiculous. I made it to Pilates though, thank God. So I can't even drop off the package at Whole Foods where I'm going to have to go somewhere completely different, which I'm just like not gonna do that right now. Let me quickly just give you a rundown about what has been going on. Moved into a house. I'm really excited. I moved in with Aiden and Matthew. I'm not gonna do like a whole tour of the house just because safety, you know? But I will show you my room and everything once it is done. I'm like currently in the process of getting it together. basically moved in. We immediately went out, which I'll add that footage here. Just so everyone knows, I actually love my outfit. And now we need to go to Whole Foods and return the other stuff that I ordered for my room that was so ugly. Good morning! Guys, I thought I lost these sunglasses last night. I almost crashed out. Not almost, I did crash out, but I found them. Okay, so we're doing a fitting job with Stod today. I just arrived. I'm gonna go like peek inside and make sure I'm in the right place. I just wanted to update you. And I'm wearing my fave dress from Lucille. Okay, I found it. It's actually super cool inside, but I definitely can't show you because it's like a whole like production. It's like this insane background. It's like a whole set. And I will get in trouble if I take videos, so I'm not gonna do that. But basically I'm like the fit model, which is like fun but sad because you're like trying on all the outfits, but you're not the confirmed model for the shoot tomorrow. This is my little room to hang out in. I'm at Veggie Grill after my shoot. I'm getting nachos. Had the best day ever. This after a long day. You guys need to come to Veggie Grill and get some vegan nachos.
And then the Compton shoot would be...
So Taj is no longer with us, but he's visiting us on his lunch break. So let's open the door. Taj.
There is no trash here.
Well, they'll just linger for a little.
I added the soaps and the scrub.
Right.
He's down with a fan on TikTok Live. Like,
Wait,
you
but-
just don't know how.
Okay. So let's take a second back real quick. So graphics.
This is what I get for being an independent woman. The soft frame makes my room look so much better. Oh my goodness, I didn't think it was possible, but we are slowly done. Basically are done. I have my soft frame that arrived. I'm so excited. This is Dune, which I think I like it because I'm probably gonna have this for a while, and I feel like I could always mix and match and change my mind. Decided on this green. I'm loving the sage green lately. Just got the square headboard. Okay, now it's just time to tidy up all this garbage and then we're done. Okay, I'm like kind of crashing out because I hate my makeup. I just like a no makeup look. I think trying a smoky is just not my vibe, but we're gonna try and save it. So, best part about living with a beauty influencer is getting the PR that they don't want. So let's just like throw some blush, like I think a little blush and a blend, and it'll solve everything. Actually, now that I have like a real light on my face, I'm realizing it's not that bad. I also tried this concealer today, Pat McGrath, which it went on gorgeously, but did not set correctly. Maybe I'm supposed to actually set with her setting powder. I set with Laura Mercier, and it's looking like, I don't know if you can see it, but look a little grainy. But yeah, I don't know. I just love like a blushy, like natural warm look. And I think right now I'm looking a little like too glamazon. So somehow we need to take it down. I need to figure out an outfit. This little corset that Renee gave me. My period just started. I'm so angry. I just started my period on my robe.
On your robe?
I just washed it today. Okay. Well, that's being a girl. I have period blood on my robe. Let's do these earrings. Because my outfit is like so chill. So it's like, let's glam it up. Give it a bit of glamour. My outfit is so chill and in a corset. Oh my god, there's a man behind me. Hello? Okay, we just finished the event and I'm on the way to meet my friends. I got no content in there, obviously, because I was a paparazzi, but I'll show you the house. A cute little Beverly Hills estate. Guys, we had a little tiff at the beach. I was laying, relaxing, enjoying the sun, and a huge wave came. We were in a different part. Huge wave came, swiped all our stuff. Thank God I grabbed the phone and everything, and then we lost the car keys. But by some grace of God, they got caught in like a little crevice of the rock. So we're able to make it home, but that was stressful. So we moved beaches. We're at a new beach, and I'm gonna get in the water.